So how am I delivering certainty in my mindset at these times? Well, really, my trick is that I'm embracing the uncertainty, and that's pretty much every single day. I embrace it because tomorrow brings, you never truly know. And just in this situation, this unknown is huge, and every day it's even more grave and more dire and more challenging. So I'm just embracing the fact that I can when I embrace it, I'm gonna try to achieve the more that I ever thought I can ever do. I'll get through challenges that I never thought I can get challenged, and at the end of the tunnel, I'll be that much more stronger. And so, kind of doing and then embracing, I just fill my gas tank up with the good stuff, whether it's a good self development book on Audible, reading things, motivation. I speak with my coaches, my business coaches daily, to always be moving forward. Action is a great way to keep the doubts, the bad thoughts in mind. I don't watch the news at all. Only thing I follow are just the updates from the state of North Carolina, the CDC, the state board, of course, and just to make sure that I am following everything that they suggest. That's just a smart thing to do. Motivation wise, again, just action. Always trying to stay motivated, looking for the future, a vision in the future, and really just not quitting. If you quit, that's when you actually fail. And how I do all this is I want to maintain my discipline. And my discipline that I have control of is I wake up early in the morning. I, I then do some meditation for about 15 or so minutes, breathing exercises. I do physical activity. I ride my Peloton bike for a good half hour, sweat it out, take a shower after I cool down, head to work, come back home, do all my admin stuff that I normally do in one day. I do it now 4 days a week because of the half schedule, but it's just a discipline. And then after that, of course, is family time, doing the homework and dinners and spend time with them. So that's my discipline, and that's how I actually maintain and be able to embrace these times of uncertainty, but uncertainty all the time. Just embrace it. That's the only thing you can do because that's what it is.